Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. Success is a word that means different things to different people depending on their goals and their view of life. I rarely start a topic with such a negative title, but in order to understand success, it is important to recognize that it does not happen to everyone. Some people do ultimately experience failure in their life and their career. So what stops success is the question today, and my answer is really quite simple: a lack of passion. Since success is realized to those who have a passion to pursue it, those who do not have a driving passion to achieve will really find success. It is the passion that a person has that determines the level of success they will achieve. Now, not everyone's idea of success is the same. One person's desire to achieve may be totally different from another's in scope and size. For example, not everyone who sells cars views success as selling 12 cars a month, but for some they are perfectly happy if they can reach that goal every month. Another may set the bar at 20 cars per month and not consider themselves successful until they reach the goal they want to achieve. Only you can determine what success means to you, and as you achieve it, your goals will change and grow as well. But whether you achieve it or not will be based on the passion you have to reach your goal. Passion is a strong emotion, and those who love what they do and are driven to succeed will usually accomplish their goal. This happens because they pour themselves into being the best at what they do. They invest in learning all they can about their product and their processes and are driven to change and grow in order to reach the goals they're trying to achieve. Just consider a professional athlete who trains for years, and then when they reach the pros, well, they keep training. They're not satisfied with just reaching the pros. Now they want to be the best pro they can be. And when they are the best, they still continue to train because they want to remain the best. Those who do this will usually rise to the top in their field. And if you do this, you can be one of those who experience great success. Never forget that you are the one who's in control of your destiny, nobody else. And why would you ever want someone else to be in control of your success? Who knows? Maybe they don't want you to succeed. So be the best you can be, and you will always feel good about yourself. Well, that's it for today's sales tip. And don't forget that we are your best source for any training needs you have to keep you on track with the success you want to achieve in this business. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you all next week with another sales tip.